So Google just launched a new extension in Gemini, which is Gemini Music, by which you can create songs and as well as their musics as well. There is no extra steps in order to create song. Just you need to open Gemini into your browser. You can log in to your Gmail and then click on Tools and then click on Create Music. And here you need to describe your track. You need to describe the lyrics of your song, and also you need to describe the what kind of music you want, what kind of uh, uh, the pauses will be, and how the lyrics will be sing. So you can describe it here as well, and you can describe on another AI tool and copy the lyrics and the composition etc. Now from there here and create the music. So as I'm creating things from chat gpt, so I will do it for here. I just I'm doing the a dummy work. Create a new song alongside instruction for singer, and I composition as well. Song should be sad and with slow music. I need female voice in it. So just create a simple instructions. You can create in more better order. If you are a writer and if you are a singer or something, you can write it better or do better with it. So my instructions are ready. I just need to go here and paste my instructions and also the music here, the lyrics also. If you are a writer, you can write your song and you can paste it here and it will sing, create music for you, and you can download it and can upload into your channel or maybe into your Instagram, and we're just gonna get. So it will take a few seconds to create the music plus uh, the lyrics. Once you have the video, you can just simply download it and can take the audio from it uh, by uploading into Canva or any other tool like CapCut or something. And the special thing in this is it's absolutely creating seems like a real voice. So my music is just created. You can see
I
the
keep your last text like it's still alive, reading it back at 3 a.m. just to survive. If silence could scream, it'd sound like your name. Breath.
I can download MP3.
I keep.
It's simple. There is no trick in it. So simply I have downloaded the track and I can use it anywhere into my channel or something in my videos. And also if you want to create video on it, you can use VO3 and you can create video on it and can download it later stages or something. Thanks so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in more.